Thank you. Thank you.
Hey guys, welcome back to Eat with Just, and today we have Shin-Sen-Gumi to go. I seen this, I was driving home from work and I seen this, and at the time it wasn't open yet, and I seen something on Facebook, they were advertising for it, so like, let me check it out. It probably should be open right now, so I went and it's open. So let's open up and see what I got. I didn't open anything up on purpose to like prep and like make it look nice and stuff for you guys, because I wanted to show you guys everything that comes in this bag. Hopefully they have everything for me, because I don't want to get anything else, because you know, when you're eating out you want all the utensils and sauces and stuff there. So let's see everything that they give me. I got 2 bags here, and I also have a soda. So open it up. 1, and then we have some gyoza, and they have the spoon and chopsticks and sauce for the gyoza. 1 bag. Let's see what's in this other bag. Ramen. And I got fries, onions, chopsticks, and that. And I got the combo that comes with fries. Damn. Oh, these fries are super soggy right now. And they're like sweet potato fries. Let's see if Durs wants some. When does Durs not want some? Come here, Durs. Come here. Okay. I'm not really into sweet potato fries. I only got the combo because she said, do you want the combo? And I just said yeah, without even thinking about it. Like I said, I'm not a fan of sweet potato fries, so maybe I shouldn't have got the sweet potato fries, because it also came with a salad combo. And I should have been healthy and gotten a salad, but no. I got fucking fries instead. Here's all the stuff that comes in a ramen. It comes with the meat and the green onions and all the noodles and stuff. And here is the broth. Whoa. And this is hot as hell. This is the Hakata Ramen now that I'm opening up. And it comes with the same thing. It has meat, and then it has noodles. And then the only thing I think that's different from this one is it has soybean sprouts. So let's put this. And then the meat. Okay, so I think I've opened up everything, so let's eat. Let's try the gyozas first, because they've been sitting for a while. I didn't even open the sauce. Mmm. Pretty good. Let's try and stir up these noodles. So I kind of want to talk to you guys about like why I've been gone, kind of. It's only been a week since I've uploaded my last video, and I know I haven't been consistent with like my uploading and stuff, and I just wanted to let you guys know kind of like what's going on in my head, I guess. There's like times where I just get into these moods and I'm like, I feel like everything is kind of like pointless. I know this is so negative of me to say, but I seriously feel like nothing matters. I don't give about you or about anyone, or you know, and I'm just like in a bad mood all the time for however long this happens. And it's not like I'm not on my period or anything like that. It's nothing girly, but I just get into these like moods sometimes where I just don't feel like talking. I don't want to be around anyone. I don't want to do anything. And I guess it's kind of like I get depressed. But I'm not on any meds, and I don't want to go to the doctor for it because I always feel like it's something that I can get through on my own. But I don't know. I know I can. I know I can make it through whatever it is that I'm going through. It's just I don't want to be bothered with anyone or do anything with anyone. So I'm sorry if like this is, it's kind of weird. I know it's really, really weird. But I just hope you guys don't mind, you know, that I take these little breaks sometimes, and I don't know. I just don't want you guys to be worried about me, you know? Ooh. Oh my god. Bomb. That was so good. Oh my god. You guys, this is so good. This one is so good. I like this one way better than this one. And it's all because of that broth. Oops. This one is the original Hakata Ramen, and this one is the Satsuma Ramen. And this ramen is made out of chicken, pork, and vegetable, and then this one is just straight pork broth. Both are really, really good. I definitely like the flavor of this one way better. The noodles on this one I like too, but these one, I mean, this one is pretty good too. I guess it's really based off of your preference of how you want your broth to be flavored. This one definitely has like a little bit more of an oniony flavor. And then I'm also a little bit sick right now, so that's why my voice sounds like a little bit nasally. This past weekend I actually just came back from hard summer, and I know I go to like music festivals all the time, non-stop. I mean, but it's like festival season. Summertime is when all the festivals happen, so this is the only time I'm gonna get to do them. And honestly, I feel like this is the last year where I'll be going like super all out on festivals like I did this year. So I went to Hot Summer this past weekend, and I seen so many of my friends, and we all got to hang out, and my boyfriend's parents actually kind of left us their house for the weekend. So we had like this giant house, and I had a pool and jacuzzi. It was so much fun. In the comment section below, let me know if you've ever been to Hard, or if you actually went to Hard this year. Okay. Oh. And this one has like, definitely has more of an oniony and maybe even like a gingery type flavor. Just onions. A lot of onions. I don't know if I really like that, but this one's really good. So again, this one was the Satsuma Ramen, and this one was the Hakata Ramen. Hakata was just all pork, and then this one is pork, vegetables, and chicken. So really good. Ooh, I thought that was gonna be a sneeze, but it came out a burp. And thank you for all the new people who subscribed to my channel. Like, there's been a lot of people subscribing lately, so I just want to say thanks. And if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you press that subscribe button and that notification bell too if you have it. It was so good. Forget about this one, you guys. Satsuma, what is it? Satsuma Ramen. This one is, the broth is amazing. Oh my god. It's so good. Alright. I'm also really getting like really full. I've been noticing that since I've been sick, like I haven't really had an appetite recently, but I've been trying to eat as much as I can just to have like some kind of sustenance. I know my body needs it, but it's so hard for me to eat. I did want to put a mukbang out because I know it's been a while and I missed y'all so much. And in the comment section below, let me know if you'd watch this, but I want to start doing like maybe reaction videos of me watching Game of Thrones. Logistically, I don't know how it's going to be, but I want to do a reaction video this Sunday while I'm watching Game of Thrones. Yeah, so let me know if you think that's a good idea in the comment section below. Alright, I'm going to do one more bite. And then I'm done. Like, right here, in these little bowls, it doesn't look like a lot of ramen, but look how deep it is. Look how deep these bowls are. They're so deep. So deep. Yeah. It's a lot of serving in one bowl. So I ordered 2 bowls because I thought, when I was like looking at a video and stuff online, like I thought it wasn't gonna be enough for me, but 1 bowl should be enough for 1 person. Ooh. It's gonna be the last ultimate bite. Oh yeah. Y'all, you see that? Oh yes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, put some broth in here. This is gonna be the last bite, okay, you guys? Bomb. Feels so good. Mmm, you guys hear yours? Oh, Durs, he's so cute. Oh, my little baby. Alright, that's gonna be it for today, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. In the comment section below, let me know if you've ever tried this ramen, and if you would watch like Game of Thrones videos, reaction videos, review videos, overview videos, maybe. Ooh. And if you haven't already, smash my face right here to subscribe. And until next time, guys, come back and eat with me again soon, okay? Bye!